Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this natural makeup and I'm going to take you guys with me. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, remember to do that right now. Love you guys like never before. This is my beautiful sister, so rate our makeup and tell me the one you prefer. See you guys in my
video
next
video
one.
video.
Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a easy makeup tutorial to you guys. First of all, I'm going to be using this my face primer. I got it from my grocery store. So right now, let's get right into this video.
It's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Alright guys, so right now I'm drawing my brow. So please guys, if you have not subscribed and you have watched through this time, please remember to subscribe, give it a like, comment, tell me how you feel about my video. I know it's not been easy. Please guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please guys, love you all. Alright guys, so right now I move on to my foundation. As you can see, the foundation is a bit darker and I'm trying to blend this foundation to my skin, guys. Alright guys, so right now I'm trying to blend in this beautiful concealer. You know, the concealer is almost finished, so I'm trying to use it in the container. There will be nothing left. That is what we are trying to do right here, guys. Okay guys, so you know your nose, you need to get your nose on point. We know we have it, but we need to let it pop, like the way my nose is popping right now. So guys, if you have not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? foundation to let that thing sit down in your face. Like when they see you, they will think that that is your real face, that like that is your color, guys. So you have to blend this, let this thing sit in your face, but right, guys, as you can see, that is what I'm trying to do. Right here, I'm teaching you and you have to learn. Some layers on my face so that the place will look sleek. I don't want my eyes to be white, so I decided to put this eyeshadow. Like the color is really dark, it's red, like a dark red. So I was trying to blend it so that it will look natural. Right now, let's move on to our lip. Yeah, my people, what's up? So I'm using this sexy color, this beautiful color. Like the color suits me very well, so I'm trying to show you guys. You can see this color. I know you're gonna love it. Guys, this is me trying to put on the last, the what's it called, the face, I don't remember the name. I'm trying to bake my face, guys.
It's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever.
Papa.
You'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Tap, tap, tap. Yeah. Okay. Snatch and snatch. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. How am I looking? So what do you think about this beautiful, sexy makeup look today? So guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a like, comment.
Baby girl for life.
That's me. Oh my god. So please guys, I also subscribe. Thank you. The new one, you are most definitely welcome to this beautiful Sharon. Here we give you bash those, bash those, bash those, bash those, bash those, bash those. Yay.